The ultimate formula for unadulterated holiday pleasure, Lithium LiFePo4 battery. The Lithium LiFePo4 battery is your ideal travel companion for camping and mobile homes. This battery fits easily under every passenger seat to save space. It has a long cycle life, is voltage stable, withstands both high and low temperatures, is extremely safe, and almost maintenance-free. The replacement of lead-acid batteries with a Lithium LiFePo4 battery is possible at any time. After all, this lithium battery lasts 5 times longer than conventional lead batteries. What are you waiting for? Summer comes. Camping is trendy. The Lithium LiFePo4 battery, an excellent investment for a relaxing camping holiday. Our experienced team can answer any questions you may have along the way. So, don't wait, contact us now.